Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing with you my favorite Bilena and EB Advanced products. Ito yung first item sa mga favorites ko from Bilena, and this one is the All Day Liquid Foundation. Packaging looks like this. As you can see, very minimalist, very clean. Sobrang direct to the point, but lahat ng details nandito pa din. And I also love the fact na squeezy tube yung pinaka-component niya kasi 'di ba, talagang masisimot mo siya hanggang kaduluduluhan. And for me guys, sa lahat ng mga nasubukan ko in the past na foundation, most especially local brands, eto talagang All Day Liquid Foundation yung pinaka nag-stand out sa akin and nagustuhan ko. Kasi 'di ba, imagine for its price na I believe parang 195 to 200 something pesos. Sobrang ganda talaga ng quality niya and kayang-kaya nito makipag-compete guys sa mga international na drugstore makeup brands. And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, with this one they have total of 4 or 5 shades. But I only have 2, which is yung dalawang shade na pinagmimix ko. And ayan guys, eto yung swatches ng foundation. This one is porcelain and eto naman si silk. For those of you na baguhan sa makeup and hindi kayo masyadong familiar sa mga foundation, for me, at yung isa sa mga maire-recommend ko na pagsimulan nyo. And yung reason ko kung bakit aside from its affordability is yung quality or consistency niya. Siguro alam nyo ng pagdating sa foundation talaga mas prefer ko yung mga merong medium to full coverage, something na buildable. Iba kasi itong foundation na to, since nga full coverage siya, talagang mamamaximize nyo yung paggamit sa kanya. Like, pwede nyo siyang gamitin 3 ways. Pwede nyo gamitin ng light, pwedeng medium coverage, or even full kapag gusto nyo mag-full glam. Kasi di ba imagine, kung bibili kayo ng foundation na merong light coverage, ganun nyo lang siya magagamit. Light coverage lang, hindi nyo pwedeng i-build up because kapag ka-build up nyo, what will happen is magiging cakey. And also, since nga this foundation is a full coverage, you actually don't need a lot. Makapal kasi yung pigment na meron siya, kaya kahit konti lang yung ilagay nyo, talagang marami na siya nako-cover na imperfection sa face. Feeling of this one sa face is actually really nice. Almost comparable sa Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. At least for me ha, but of course iba-iba naman tayo ng preference and feel. Longevity-wise, actually this one is really good. I mean sa akin guys ha, I have oily skin, but kapag ka ito yung gamit kong foundation and nag-bake naman ako, usually 5 to 6 hours okay pa siya sa akin. Konting-konting retouch lang, and usually naman kapag ka nagkikake kasi yung foundation sa face ko, sa mga areas na merong cracks, crevices, and yung talagang may mga fine lines. And siguro for me, yung masasabi ko lang na downside or hindi ko gusto about this product is yung color selection. 4 lang kasi yung shades na meron sila dito sa All Day Liquid Foundation and sobrang kulang nun, especially sa Asian skin or sa Pinay skin. But hopefully in the future, magdagdag sila because to be honest, I feel like ayun na lang yung kulang dito yung wide selection of shade options. Ito yung next product sa aking list, and for those of you na hindi pa alam kung ano to, this one is the Bilena Matte Two-Way Cake Powder Foundation, which for me, to be honest, is the most underrated product ng Bilena. This is how the packaging looks like, and to be honest, for me, medyo na ako sa kanya, sawa na sa packaging. I feel like kailangan na niya na makeover. Kasi diba, parang sobrang outdated na niya tingnan nyo. Tapos ayan guys, once you open it, as you can see, meron siyang malaking mirror, which is perfect kasi talagang malaki yung mukha na nakikita. Tapos gusto ko rin yung fact na nakahiwala yung sponge, tapos may butas siya, kaya hindi magiging mabaho. For those of you na naghahanap ng affordable powder foundation na talagang merong coverage kapag ka nilagay sa face, 100%, eto definitely yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo. Again, kagaya ng sabi ko guys, super underrated nitong product na to because I feel like this one has been in the market for like since the very beginning. Pero sobrang bihira ko lang siyang makita sa mga makeup tutorials, which is nakakaloka. I have been using this powder since 2018 guys. Imagine ganun katagal ko na siyang love. And up until now, eto yung isa sa mga foundations na unang pumapasok sa isip ko and madalas kong ginagamit talaga. But before this, actually yung ginagamit ko talaga is yung Bilena Two-Way Cake. Yung kulay white, yung compact, but same format din. And same lang naman sila in terms of feeling, ng texture, and itsura sa skin. But for me, mas nagustuhan ko to since nga, created for people with oily skin. And in fairness naman sa kanya, true to its claim, talaga nakakatulong siya, especially when it comes to controlling the oil. Tsaka every time na ito yung gamit kong powder, pang set ng buong face, isa sa mga na-notice ko is mas naglalast yung makeup ko and hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-oil up. Kaya, ayun nga, for those of you na oily yung skin, you might want to check this one out. And who knows, di ba, baka mag-work din sa skin nyo. And actually, feeling ko nga ito yung pinaka-old school na product ng Bilena na meron ako. But I don't care, I don't mind. Because ayun nga, sobrang perfect, sobrang ganda ng quality. Kaya hindi ako magdadalawang isip or magsasawa na bilhin siya ng paulit-ulit. This one is in the shade Oriental, by the way, and as you can see, ayan o, di ba? Kitang-kita naman, meron talaga siyang coverage. And sobrang nice ng kulay ng mga powder nila because yellow tone, kaya perfect for Asian skin. Tsaka ang maganda din dito guys is pwede niyong bilhin ng kahit refill lang, kaya mas matipid siya. Actually, hindi ko na nga mabilang kung ganong kadami na bang refill yung nabili ko dito, but one thing is for sure. Since 2018, talagang favorite ko na to, kaya hindi ako magdadalawang isip na i-recommend kahit kanino because tried and tested ko na siya and I know na talagang maganda siya and okay yung performance niya. Another favorite of mine is the EB Advanced Bloom Blush. This is how the packaging looks like. As you can see, super compact, super small, perfect for traveling and for small bags. Tapos ayan guys, once you open it, very direct to the point. Meron siyang mirror and yung product. And syempre, at the back, nakalagay lahat ng info about the product like yung shade name, expiration, and all that good stuff. To be honest, at first, I was kinda skeptical with this one, especially kapag ka-judge nyo siya based on its appearance. Kasi nga diba sobrang liit niya, parang pangbata, kaya iisipin mo na, ano yung quality nito? Pero sabi nga nila, diba, don't judge the book by its cover, and in fairness naman dito sa bulilit na to. Sa lahat ng powder blushes na nasubukan kong local, definitely pasok to sa top 3. It's very easy to blend, pigmentation is fantastic, very buildable, which for me, to be honest, mas prefer ko sa blush. I don't know, yung mindset ko kasi especially kapag ka powder is okay lang na light siya or sheer kapag ka blush. Kasi mas gusto ko yung nagdadagdag mas mabilis siya. Rather than having a blush na super intense, like kapag ka nilagay nyo sa cheeks, ando na siya kaagad. Mahirap siyang ayusan, kaya mas okay talaga kapag ka ganito, yung buildable yung pigment. From top, we have the shades Fig, this one is Rose, this one is Dahlia, and this one is Peony. Super impressive kasi diba look at that, walang tapon sa mga shades. So yeah, yun guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng blush na perfect for everyday, bagay sa kahit anong skin tone, naglalast all throughout the day, you need to get your hands on these blushes. Next up, we have the EB Advanced Face Trio. Packaging of this one, as you can see, is so nice. It is so sleek. It's slim, perfect for traveling, and kulay white. Kaya diba, ang fresh tignan and ang linis. Then at the back, of course, nakalagay yung ingredients ng mga product, shelf life, all that. And of course, once you open it, ganito siya inside, may malaking mirror, and of course, yung mga products. And I believe dito sa product na to, they have like 4 or 5 options. But I only kept one sa aking collection kasi dati meron ako lahat eh. Ito lang yung naiwan sa akin, si Baked Fig. Actually, nice naman yung iba. It's just that hindi ko nagagamit. Sayang lang. Kaya eto na lang. But if you're a makeup artist, I feel like okay na okay na kunin nyo lahat because syempre, di ba iba-ibang skin tone kaya iba-ibang kulay yung kailangan. Kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan to guys, I highly recommend na subukan nyo siya kapag nagpunta kayo ng Watsons, mag-swatch kayo if possible. Ito kasing bronzer and blush, parehong matte pero hindi gritty yung powder nila. And etong highlighter, sobrang soft ng kanyang formula kaya ang ganda ng kapit sa skin. Okay na okay din to for beginner kasi di ba meron ka ng blush to add color to your cheeks. May bronzer ka na to warm up your complexion. Tapos di ba highlight to highlight the highest points of your face. And of course, for your reference, ito yung swatches ng Baked Fig. This is the highlight, ito yung blush, and ito naman yung bronzer slash contour. And actually, feeling ko nga parang wala pa akong nadidinig na negative review about this one. Like, everyone that I know na nasubukan to and gumagamit nito, talagang gustong-gusto nila. This one, of course, hindi siya pwedeng mawala. The EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter. Packaging of this product looks like this. As you can see, clear lang yung kanyang lid, kaya you can see clearly kung ano yung kulay inside. Packaging-wise, okay sa akin. I mean, it's not amazing, it's not mind-blowing, but you know, considering its price, maganda, matino yung itsura niya. For me, this one is definitely the best local highlighter, period. Kung yung hanap yung highlighter is yung blinding and kaya makipagsabayan sa Becca, sa Ofra, eto na yun guys. I mean, imagine diba, for less than 200, I believe less than 200 lang to eh. Tapos yung quality niya, kaya makipagtapatan sa mga tigwa 1,000 plus, diba? Parang, oh my god, it's super duper amazing. Tatlo yung shades na meron dito guys, yung kulay gold, light yellow, and etong champagne, which is called Spotlight. And same sa ibang product guys na hindi ko naman ginagamit, pinamigay ko na yung mga shades na wala ako. But I have 3 of them before. It's just that, ayun nga, ayoko magsayang. And eto yung kulay niya guys. I mean, look at that. Diba? Grabe, oh. Talagang nang lalaban siya. Look at that. Look at that kapag ka nagmo-move, diba? Super pasabog and parang wet look siya. Sobrang dami kong highlighters and to be honest guys, okay lang na mawala sila, huwag lang tong isang to. Ganun kong kalove tong isang to from EB Advance. Need to get your hands on this kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan kasi guys, napakaganda, especially for beginners. I'm very sure may enjoy nyo to. I'm crossing my fingers lang talaga na sana this one hindi ma-face out kahit kailan. Kasi kapag ka-face out nila to, magkakalimutan na po tayo ever Bilena. Charot. Another favorite of mine is itong EB Advanced Vinyl Gloss. This one guys, you need to get your hands on, especially kung mahilig kayo sa glossy lips because sa lahat ng local brands or gloss brands in general na nasubukan ko, this one is definitely one of my ultimate favorites in terms of mga clear gloss. It's very lightweight, it's comfortable on the lips, hindi siya yung parang gloopy or parang nagdidikit yung lips. Hindi niya din na-alter yung kulay ng lipstick na ilalagay nyo, kaya sobrang perfect niya guys kasi light man or dark yung lipstick nyo, kapag ka pinatong nyo to, wala siyang inaiba. Ginagawa niya lang talagang gloss. And ang maganda dito is talagang glossy siya. Kasi di ba merong mga lip gloss na ang focus is yung pigment or yung kulay. Tapos pagdating sa pagka-glossy, it lacks. I mean, hindi ganun kapasabog, di ba? Parang may kulang, alam mo yon. Or kung maging glossy man siya, kailangan i-layer mo ng i-layer. Pero dito sa isang to guys, never ako nagka-problema kapag ginagamit ko siya because kapag nilagay mo sa lips, talagang makikita mo agad na sobrang glossy niya. Consistency is really nice as well. Actually, very comparable sa Happy Skin Lip Oil ni Heart, sa BLK Lip Oil, tsaka sa Easy & Co Hydra Gloss in Surf. Kaya ayun guys, kung medyo on a tight budget kayo tapos hindi nyo achieve yon, kung medyo mabigat sa bulsa nyo, eto guys, subukan nyo to kasi same lang naman sila kapag nilagay sa lips. And I think this one is already my 4th bottle. Kasi usually kapag nag-iiba na yung kulay niya, tinatapon ko na. Pero wag niyo akong gayahin guys kasi medyo lang talaga ako, freak pagdating sa mga ganon. Kasi kapag ka clear gloss, gusto ko talaga is ma-maintain yung pagka-clear. Kaya usually kapag ka ginagamit ko to, ang ginagawa ko is kumukuha na lang ako ng lip brush or kaya nilalagay ko siya sa likod ng kamay. Para lang safe, clean, and also kapag ka gumamit ako ng ibang product or lipstick, hindi naghahalo-halo yung kulay sa loob. Moving on sa eye product, so we have here the EB Advanced Shadow Stick. 4 yung shades na meron dito and hindi ko mahanap yung isa. Siguro pinamigay ko sa kapatid ko or dineclutter ko, I'm not sure. But anyway, etong mga shades na to is Black, Sapphire, and Bronze. Packaging of this one is very self-explanatory. Eyeshadow stick, so para siyang pen. And ayan, ganito siya once you twist it. And actually, this one, feeling ko parang hindi ko pa siya na-feature but I've used this so many times already and sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Very creamy, easy to blend. It lasts the whole day. Hindi siya nagkikrease and ang gaganda ng kulay kasi diba, for day to night, may pang everyday or pang morning or work. Tapos meron ding pang parties. Though unfortunately, walang parties ngayon. Kung kayo naman yung klase ng tao na hindi ganun kahilig mag-eyeshadow or yung gusto nyo lang is yung parang one and done, this is the perfect eyeshadow for you kasi super bilis niyang gamitin. Nag-stain yung tint. But anyway, this one is Sapphire. Look at that color. Next up is, oops, naputol. Sobrang creamy kasi nito eh. But anyway, ito si Black. Pero gray siya. And lastly, we have the shade Bronze. And ayan guys, look at that. Kapag binlend nyo siya, ang ganda niya kasi hindi siya nag-streak, hindi siya patchy, and sobrang creamy. Ang soft ng feeling niya. The color is nice as well kasi hindi siya yung klase ng pencil na eyeshadow na kapag binlend, natatanggal yung shimmer. This one talagang all throughout, the entire formula. Hindi lang siya yung parang sa ibabaw na may shimmer. Ito talagang shimmery siya. Look at that. Super nice na to guys. Again, kung madali ang eyeshadow, kapag wala kayong time, pero gusto niyo ng something sa eyes na medyo shimmery and nakakabuhay. Eto guys, okay na okay to. Please, for those of you na hindi pa nasusubukan to, give this one a try. Kasi maganda siya. Perfect nga for quick eye makeup or kaya pang base. Pwedeng-pwedeng nyo din siyang gamitin. And also, sana in the future, maglabas pa sila ng ibang shades like yung mga colorful, mga purple, ganon, para, diba, mas maraming variety and option. This is the final product on my list and ito yung EB Advanced Rich Eyeshadow Palette 15 Shades. For me in my opinion, sa lahat ng mga eyeshadows na nilabas ng EB Advanced or ever Bilena, aside doon sa Pro Palette na unfortunately discontinued na, dito talaga ako pinaka na-excite and ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko. And kinip ko sa collection ko kasi yung ibang meron ako before, wala na sa akin ngayon eh. Ito na lang talaga yung naiwan. Packaging is super simple and sleek. Clear lang yung pinaka-lid kaya you get to see what's inside. Tapos, of course, at the back, yung mga info about the products nakalagay. And kagaya ng sabi ko before nga, diba, yung ibang shades dito pwedeng gamitin pang blush, pang bronzer, pang eyeliner, pang kilay. Sobrang perfect kasi talagang masusulit mo din siya. You have 15 colors to choose from. May pang daytime, may pang nighttime, may pang soft glam, may pang full glam. Pwede sa maputi, pwede sa morena, pwede sa deeper complexion. Like, 'Diba? Ano pang hahanapin mo dito? Actually, meron which is yung pang-highlight ng inner corner tsaka brow bone. Wala kasing parang champagne, 'diba? But other than that, 'diba? Sobrang nice. Formula-wise, very creamy, easy to blend, talagang kumakapit sa lid kahit walang primer, naglalast buong araw, and kung ano yung kulay niya sa pan, ganun din siya kapag nilagay sa mata. Ito yung swatches ng mga eyeshadows. Medyo naging patchy lang, but makikita niyo naman sa ibang mga guys, videos, and also kapag ginamit ko sa eyes, di ba, na maganda siya. But ayun, in terms of shimmers, I mean, super on point. Yung mga matte shades, maganda naman. Dito lang talaga medyo naging, But yeah, overall, super nice. Okay na okay for everyday, and talagang yung mga shades nga, magagamit mo siya. Hindi ito yung eyeshadow palette na parang 2-3 kulay lang gagamitin mo. And to be honest, I feel like dito sa product na to, yung downside lang naman is medyo powdery yung mattes. But other than that, wala nang issue. Kaya, kung yun lang naman, di ba, yung problema, okay na din kasi mabilis naman gawa ng paraan. Mag-under eye powder ka lang or kaya magsa-start ka sa eye makeup. So yeah, for those of you na beginners sa makeup and naghahanap kayo ng pwedeng gamitin for day to night, yung pwede for traveling or sa kahit anong event. Something na pwede sa teens, late 20s, or kahit nasa 50s ka man. Eto guys, make sure to check this one out guys. And actually, to be honest, minsan kasi sa mga photos parang hindi siya ganun kaganda or even sa videos, but sa personal, mas maganda yung kulay niya. And there you have it. Ayun na po yung mga favorite kong products from Bilena and EB Advance. If you enjoyed watching, of course, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.